Wow, do I ever have some amazing crafty thrift store finds for you today. I was recently out of town in Halifax and I went thrifting with some of my family, and I thought, let's see what kind of fun crafty items I could find in the stores. It wasn't super fruitful and I kind of was left hoping that I had found more interesting things. So I went by the thrift store when I was dropping off some donations when I got back home, and I found some pretty amazing finds. I'm going to show you a couple of the home decor pieces before we get into the crafty finds. So let's start off with this. So while I was away, my sister-in-law had these beautiful orchid flowers all throughout the house, and when I saw this for $2.99, I was inspired to be reminded of her and my lovely trip visiting family. That one's going to go in my craft room. The other thing that I got from this thrift store haul is this adorable little angel. And it says, "Trust in angels to strengthen your spirit." I thought it would be perfect for my 3-tiered tray because it has the perfect colors and a summery kind of vibe. And I didn't have a lot of real summery things for my 3-tiered tray. That would be a perfect addition. And the price was only $2.99, so I thought that was a very good deal. The brand is Russ, all in perfect shape. There's no chips or anything. And speaking of no chips, there's this really cute vase. And if you look at the bottom, it says that it's from Crown Devon, direct from England. So that is a beautiful piece, perfectly intact with no chips or markings, and that's just like a 1-bud vase that I can either put a little flower in or just have it stand alone in my craft room or on the 3-tiered tray. It was just such a cute little picture. I just love this little mouse. And when I looked up the value of this, I found people selling them for around $20, and this was only $1.99. And then the last home decor piece, if you know me, you will know this is exactly my style, and that is this beautiful trinket tray. Those flowers, that vintage vibe, the colors, everything about it is really my style, and I thought it would be a great way to hold ephemera as I was working on a project, or even to have in pictures alongside of my journals and stuff. It will be a lovely little addition to my craft room. So now let's get into the crafty finds, even though some of these things are for my craft room technically, but the things that I'm going to be using in my crafts is where the real deals are. Okay, the next find, as you can see, the price here, $1.99. This is all the crafty finds from the Salvation Army. This was, if you look at the tag here, the packaging also comes with a really cute little brochure here, the way it's all folded amongst itself, with all kinds of interesting facts about elephants and some interesting trivia. But the main thing that it shows here is how they turn poo into paper. They collect naturally dried elephant dung from elephant conservation parks and bring it back into the paper making shop. They pre-rinse the elephant dung with water, leaving behind only the fibrous materials, the grasses, bamboo, fruits that they have eaten. Afterwards, they place the fiber into a giant pot of boiling water to ensure that everything's clean. And then they add any color. Natural fibers from banana trees, pineapple trees are added to the dung mixture so that the paper will be thicker and stronger. And this just talks about how they are using this as a fundraiser to save animals. Lots of interesting information about elephants and how your purchase helps. The original price is down there still of $14.95. You can see that it's been marked down on sale all the way until it got donated for $1.99. So if you look inside this book, you can see it is exactly the beautiful material that I love to collage with. I bought 3 of these books, so now I have a huge supply. I can turn one into an art journal if I wish, and it can be the background paper. I can tear the pages out and then just reuse this shell to recover with my own sort of book binding with a pretty cover. So there's all kinds of things that I can do with these. If you watched my last video where I did a masterboard, then you will know why I love this paper so much. When you are crafting, it adds a real softened texture to a project like that sort of collage material. And speaking of collaging, this is one thing I plan to do on these library tags. This whole kit was in brand new condition. I don't even think it's ever been opened by the looks of things. It doesn't have a price on here, but it wouldn't be hard to look it up. It's like a personal little library kit. 20 self-adhesive pockets, 20 checkout cards, a stamp pad, a date stamp, and a genuine pencil. Other than like disingenuous pencils, I don't know what a genuine pencil is, but a genuine pencil in here. Anyway, these are the cute little library tags, and they will make great junk journal pieces. It will be really fun to decorate these. You can add journaling on here. You could stamp this. You could decorate it with patterned paper. You could collage on here. Any of the number of things. You could punch holes in it, create a tag, and then you can just stick it right into your junk journal because it's got that adhesive on the back. So that will be a lot of fun to play with. In addition to that, we've got this date stamp. Let's see what years it goes up to. Okay, so it ends at 2020 and it starts at 2009, but probably I'll just use it as a random stamp that's not really meant to indicate anything specific other than just something fun. And often when you are scrapbooking, you're going back in time anyway. I think I have some of these types of stamps, but the thing I'm wondering is this ink pad even any good anymore? So there's the genuine pencil. I have plenty of ink pads even if that one doesn't work. I don't know what the big deal about this pencil is supposed to be. It's got a nice eraser on it anyway, so that part's good. But a cute little find for $3.99. I'll have a lot of fun creating with these. Okay. Then I bought a miscellaneous bag from Value Village. Price should still be on here. I haven't even opened it up yet. $4.99. It seems kind of like a hefty price tag for what's inside for a thrift shop. I'm not interested in this at all. I might just donate that back. And this wasn't really what I was interested in either, although I'll make use of it for sure. This is a painting stencil, and you can see on the back here they're using just like a stipple brush, and they're painting a variety of different dry brush kind of techniques on a canvas tote. But that's what the end project is supposed to look like. But I'm going to use it, of course, for my junk journals, just to add some texture and layers. This This one I didn't love specifically, but the ones that I really liked were these. Just look at how cute those words are. Happy, simplify, relax, blessed, and hello. So those are perfect. Really happy with that. Momenta.com is who that is from. I also got these word stickers. Peace, hope, count your blessings, love, happiness, inspire, think happy, be happy, wish, believe, smile, laugh, hope, faith, peace, dream, and a little cloud. Let's put a piece of paper under this so you can see the words better. Happiness, love, count your blessings, hope, peace. Inspire, think happy, love, wish, believe. So these were definitely worth it. There's a cute little smiley face. I didn't get these from a thrift shop, but they are part of a thrift haul because they are secondhand and they come from Facebook Marketplace. They will be great for my mixed media for junk journaling. If you've purchased any Vicky Boutin products, you know that they're both good products and you get what you pay for, so they are expensive. But let's look at how they look on the inside. Oh my gosh, that is still sealed. I bought them from someone who I know actually, and so I wasn't concerned about the quality of them. I knew that they would be something that wouldn't be all used up or dried out, but I was not expecting them to be all sealed. Let's see if they're all, wow, they are all brand new. This one's molding paste, so you can see what I'm going to use my stencils for already. This one maybe feels like it's been opened. So I can't tell actually. Maybe not. It's really hard to tell if that's been opened previously. These ones definitely never have. So it was $15 for this set. And absolute colors that I love. Rose gold, like this actual gold, an iridescent glaze, this blue, this prism glaze, and then a molding paste. So that was great. What do you think? I actually went shopping for thrift store finds when I was in Halifax. I have one other thing to show you, and it's these Stamping Up floral stamps. They are the perfect size and shape. I like the way they will easily be stamped on the side of a page. They were each individually priced and for sale, so I didn't have to buy them all, but I did choose to purchase them all, and they were $1 each. So it was $4 for the set of stamps here. And I know the acrylic stamps are what's really more efficient in space and storage, and I actually started stamping long ago, so I actually do have quite a few wooden stamps already, and quite a few is an understatement. I haven't been able to bring myself to part with them, and even when the acrylic stamps started coming out, I still maintained collecting wooden stamps. I do really like the look of them, and I like to be consistent. The thing I didn't realize until just unboxing this for you is, look at this. They have the name actually of each flower. So you got your iris and your calla lily, all on a script font alongside the flower. So that is really a beautiful addition. When I bought these, they were actually all taped up. And that's right there. And I didn't really recognize that, but now that I've taken the tape and the stickers for the price off, that was a great little find. So what did you think of my thrift store finds? I'm super happy to be going along the theme of junk journaling and staying in line with secondhand items or finding treasures and putting things to use that may be thrown out otherwise. And what did you think the best deal was? Were there any of these things that you would have picked up at a thrift store if you had seen them in your town as well? Let me know in the comments down below. Also, if you're interested in junk journaling, I have a whole series, a Daphne's Diary series, as well as a junk journaling series. If you're interested in any of those videos, I will link them right here for you. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.